This is a quick, simple video on how to put in a side spacer in your single coil vending column. This type of machine here, you see you have 3 slots in the front and the back. You also have a spring at the back of this side spacer. You look at your product, you figure how wide this needs to be. That spring just goes towards the back and pushes against it. That gives us the forward pressure to hold this in. You put the 2 little hooks that are here in the slots in the space you want, and you make sure that's the right width. Not too tight or your product can bind, not too loose, or if it's too loose, as the product vends, it can move to the side and get stuck in the machine, cause the coil to spin up into the air, numerous different problems. So you want to make sure that spacer is in the right position. And obviously we wouldn't use a 6-count coil spiral for a bag of chips like this, but that's what you can do with a side spacer to make things work properly. And I'll often just kind of put them in, adjust them how I like them. For these narrow bags of LSS chips, I'll even put a side spacer in for those. I hardly ever have problems with product jamming in any of our snack machines because we try to make sure we match the coils to the product and the spacers as well. It's that easy.